Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 39 Cowley Street in Methil. This is an immaculate 2-bedroom, 2-reception, mid-terraced cottage, beautifully presented, modern interiors throughout, and incredible attention to detail, while also offering that one-level living element, plus you get to step out of patio doors at the rear onto a decked, really landscaped, vast-sized garden that also benefits from a summer house. Plus you are not overlooked, so it is a really private garden also. So prime positioning and an absolutely beautiful property. So I'm going to take you on the tour, show you everything that it has to offer, and as always, keep listening for how to get further details. So this is your property here, number 39. Straight away you can see the curb appeal of this property, and that gives you a great indication of just how well presented this is going to be, and that standard continues as we head into the property. But ample off-street parking. As you can see, plenty of parking for you. But let's head inside and start the tour. So this is your entrance hallway. Straight away again, you can see the standard even from the quality solid wood doors. So this is your entrance. Now don't forget I said 2-bedroom, one of which is on this level. However, there is a further bedroom up those stairs there, so we are going to head up there in just a second. But this is one of your reception rooms. I'm going to show you while we're here anyway. So this is a great additional space, lovely and bright. You can see you have patio doors out to your garden and a further door just there. That is also a sneak peek for you at your garden space. But this is a great additional room, could be utilised as a dining room if you wish. You obviously have that area under the stairs as well that again you could put in a kind of desk area and create a working from home space there. But this is one of your reception areas, but we're going to head up these stairs. Now this is a brilliant size and you're not going to be expecting this, and there's so much that you could do with all of this space up here. So this could be a brilliant master suite if you don't require the one-level living. And as well, what is great about this property is you have these 2 Velux windows and we're not overlooked at the rear at all. Isn't that just incredible? You've got views right across, and as I say, we're not overlooked, so prime positioning. But this is a brilliant sized room. Easily get a big king bed in here, dressing table, plenty of bedroom furniture. You've got downlighters going straight down the middle there. So amazing attention to detail, but this is just a great space. Then you do have this additional kind of wardrobe area through there. That would also be great if, again, you want to create a working from home space in there instead. You could also potentially do that, obviously, with the correct planning into a WC if you wish. But then you head back down. And this, as I say, is another angle of one of your reception areas. And I just love having the patio doors just there. You can just imagine those open in the summer months. So then we come back through. So your bedroom on this level is just here. Lovely and bright room and really spacious as well. It's a really spacious property. But again, this is a lovely and bright bedroom. And then just here you have 2 storage areas. So that is your lower level bedroom. We then enter through, and I absolutely love this space because you've got these really big doors, but they open up into further reception room. Again, great size, really spacious, and obviously you can use this space to work for you and obviously your family. And then just behind me here, we have this almost alcove inlet, obviously display purposes, or you could shelve it if you just do want some storage. But this is a brilliant size room, and it's lovely just having those doors open. Makes it feel really light and airy. And then again, as I say, the chrome fixtures and fittings, so it's all the attention to detail and quality. You then come through into your kitchen space. So they really have utilised all the space, obviously shelved, you've got cabinets, ample cabinet space, and really made it work. And then of course you have the outlook to your garden and you're not overlooked whatsoever, which is perfect. You have your extractor, hob and oven. Space for white good appliances. That is a slimline dishwasher in that space. I love the Belfast sink. And as I say, they really have maximised all of that space, creating storage. Such a quality kitchen. Absolutely love that. And especially the outlook into your garden. So then we come back through. You then have your really contemporary modern shower room. So again, just for reference, this is where your one living element comes in, because you have your front door entrance, bedroom just there, and then this is your shower room. So large walk-in shower, thermostatic shower. You've got that great big vanity unit, ample cabinet space, heated towel rail, and then just WC. But you can see that it's been done to such a high standard. Again, you've got your downlighters. So ready to move in and go, which is just fantastic. But how could you not just enjoy sitting there, really peaceful, enjoying all of your property, and then this outlook. So we're going to head into the garden. So straight away you can see just how private it is. Beautiful landscape garden. But isn't this just a great position? You can actually hear the birds in the background and we're not overlooked. So I'm going to talk you through the features and we'll work our way down the garden, because yes, this is all yours. So a reminder, you have your patio doors that bring you out into this decked area. There is actually downlights within the decking as well. So you can see you have obviously ample space for mature plants and shrubs. You can get some gorgeous colours in. Now you have obviously area for all your bins and some additional storage. But this is your garden space. You then have stairs that take you down. So you have a kind of laid to lawn area. You've got a border, you've got a chipped area, you've obviously got all of this. You could get some gorgeous colours. Even in the spring, you can just imagine gorgeous colours kind of growing up your fence there. Now you have this path that takes you down. You can obviously see you've got a greenhouse as well, so ideal if you are a keen gardener. But then you get to step down into this brilliant, obviously decked area with your pergola as well. So you can just imagine obviously little trinket lights, sitting in an evening and just taking full advantage, because isn't that just incredible to obviously be backed onto? Obviously that's your property sitting up there. And then as well, great addition is, so this is storage space, but then in addition to that, you do have this summer house. Currently, it does actually have a hot tub in it, so that's an idea for you if that's something that you would enjoy. You have that just in there, but you have all of this additional space, and that, which is a brilliant addition, especially if you've potentially got obviously pets, is you can just get direct access and then head for walks right along there. So that is a brilliant addition. But yeah, this is all your additional space. So a great bit of outdoor storage. As I say, quality summer house. You've got storage area just there. And then, as I say, you back onto your property. And then you can just imagine all your furniture out, sitting, socialising with family and friends at the end of a day. So that is your property there. Let's have a recap. So that was the personal property tour for 39 Cowley Street, Methil. As you've just seen for yourself, beautifully presented, really high standard, 2-bedroom, 2-reception, mid-terrace cottage, benefiting from that big main bedroom on the upper level with the views across, the element of one level living, having a bedroom on the ground floor, just obviously across from your really modern, high standard shower room, those 2 reception rooms that you can utilise and make work for you, whether you have one as a dining room, or as well you do have the potential for a working from home space. Plus you get to step out of those patio doors onto your decking and head down this beautiful landscape garden where there is further decking at the end just here. Plus as well that summer house, and we're in a prime position because we're not overlooked at the rear and you have direct access out for walks, which is just ideal. This really is the perfect property, and you've seen the standard throughout, so this one is not to be missed. Location wise as well, a walking distance to all of your amenities, whether it be schooling, whether it be commuting as well from this location, because you have the Cameron Bridge or Leven train station if you need to get to Edinburgh and beyond. As well, you have the bus station for connecting across Fife. You also have leisure facilities and the retail park within Leven, so you really do have everything on your doorstep while getting this beautiful, absolutely stunning property. If you want to get further details, you can either click the link, feel free to message me directly. Likewise, you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties. Take care.